Take a look at this balcony. Cracked concrete, water pooling everywhere, rust stains bleeding through. This is what we found last month right here in Houston. Most homeowners don't think about their balcony until it's too late. By then, water's already leaked through, damaged the ceiling below, and you're looking at thousands in repairs. Here's what most people don't realize. Houston's climate is brutal on balconies. We get intense summer heat, sudden storms, and that humidity that never quits. Your balcony takes a beating every single day. That's where we come in. Houston Builders Texas is one of the few companies in the Houston area that specializes in complete balcony waterproofing and sealing with proper flooring systems. We don't just slap some sealant on top and call it done. We strip everything down to the structure, repair any damage, apply professional-grade waterproof membranes, and install flooring that's built to handle Houston's weather. If your balcony looks anything like that before shot, don't wait. Call us at 832-888-1036 for a free inspection. We'll show you exactly what's happening and how to fix it right. Because when it comes to waterproofing in Houston, there's doing it right, and there's doing it twice.
832, that's 832-888-1036, 1036. Balcony waterproofing done right. We seal it up watertight. 832-888-1036.